ball job, didn't it? I love it. Absolutely.
The other reason I support Speedmog because in the photographs.
Right, welcome to Curborough, a sunny dry Curborough. Hopefully it's going to stay that way today. I'm Chris Bailey. Those of you that have sent in entries and whatever, you've dealt with me. And I'm part of the organising team for this event. Great to see so many of you here. Yeah, welcome. Thank you for turning up. We have a massive selection. Do not be daunted or concerned. The fact that we've got full-on race cars here. We've got MX-5 here, a Mini here, which I'll come on to later, and people that have never been on the track before. At the end of the day, you are here to enjoy yourself.
See, there's a red-green light which the marshals will use to indicate when you can go. It'll be on red until it's clear for you to go. Once it goes to green, you go in your own time. It's not basically going like on a track like Grand Prix. Go when you're ready, when it's not green. You will set off down the outside of this course. Now, I'm not going to draw this unfortunately correct because of the line at the corner. This is meant to portray all this bend round here, okay? And this is where you will, when you walk it, it'll look quite easy, it's quite wide. Once you drive it, this looks an awful lot quicker, and you may miss the corner. People in the past have, quite honestly, on the first run, ended up up here, because they just don't realise how long the corner is.
So, who am I with? What's your name?
It's Graham.
Graham, Chris.
Nice one. Yeah.
So, have you done anything like this before?
I did track day at Richard Thorne track day at Castlecombe.
Oh, right, yeah.
And I've also been doing the auto sale.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I thought I recognised. Okay. I might recognise the car, not necessarily. Oh. Okay. Have you got your coffee?
Yes, thank you.
You got seatbelts in this or not?
No.
Oh, good. Good. Oh, it's a long time since I've been in a proper Morgan. Yeah, all the way round. Lovely. That's it. Track's all ours. On the right hand side. And away we go. Looking for that last foil marker on the end. Get nice and close to that. Lovely, nice line. Let it just run out. Let it run out. And then looking for this one over there. That's good. That's good. Good. Hands were good there. Lovely. Nice line. Let it run out. Okay. Now slow down, right away down, and now turning nice and tight here. Good, that wasn't bad at all. Let it run out. Good, nice lines. Best so far today. Nice and deep. Now you're looking at where you're going to be going, apex in, we're coming in here. Lovely, let it run out. Lovely, well done. Good line. Okay. Good. And then turn it, and you should almost be able to hold the steering wheel there, hold it there, and it'll come back. That's it, and then wind it. Brilliant, lovely. Good, really good. Good. Go a bit deeper this time, and now in. So we're nice and tight. Good, and that lines that one up nicely. Well done. Look for that cone. And there it is. We could have turned it a little bit earlier, and you could have been a bit wide. Good, all the way. Good.
Not bad for an old girl, then.
No, not bad at all. How was that? How was that for you?
That was pretty good for me, man.
Really good lines, very good lines. You can build on that pretty, you can build on that pretty well. The hairpin, your first turn, the first one at the very top was good. Second one, you just turned in a bit too early. I think you were aware of it. You could have been further over, down to that bottom cone that's right at the very far end, to then turn in. But other than that, best lines I've had all day.
So you can hold that line all the way for a lot longer.
Yeah, I say that. Probably the power in this, you may find it might well be that a tighter, generally a tighter line might be better. We just tend to think that being out further, you can start then powering from the outside of that end. You can start putting the power on to apex, and you're then carrying that speed all the way down the line.
Right.
Possibly because maybe you haven't got as much power.
Yeah, it's only about 60. I think,
Yeah, it
maybe,
could be that having a tighter line is possibly quicker, and then you know because you haven't got as much power to put on almost.
Of course.
But no, cracking lines. Well done.
Thank you very much.
No problem at all.
Just really go.